Hello friends, today I would like to show you my oldest Adenium. I had to prune it because with Adeniums the sky is the limit. And I was tired of pruning it and pruning it, repruning it, so finally I grafted on every branch a double petal red, which slows down its growth. And today it has a good hair day. That's why I'm showing it to you. Here is one ungrafted twig, so you can see it's the regular, most common Adenium obesum. But on the rest of the branches are red, double petal red. This is my oldest Adenium. Average seeds, no special cultivar, purchased at eBay from lady who was selling it from Florida. And just to show you the scale, here is a 12-inch or 30 centimeters, you can say, ruler. And so this is my today's bragging right. Goodbye. Happy gardening to you.